words we shouldn't. We fought for the best. Those tears we were crying, both happy and sad. Oh, time it stops and people fade when you step in a room. I don't love anyone the way I love you.
Hi, Ma. Happy birthday. It's your 50th birthday. First of all, gusto ko sabihin na thank you so much sa lahat-lahat. I know na thank you is an understatement sa aking gratefulness sa lahat ng ginawa mo para sa amin magkakapatid. And I know na throughout the years since we were young, you've been so patient, you've been so understanding, and you've been so generous sa lahat ng pangangailangan namin, may it be financially or love. I wish na makabawi jud kami puhon na jud na super puhon, cause we know na gusto mo na din umuwi and to be with us, and gusto na rin namin na magsama na tayo lahat and puhon matapad lang dyan lahat ng dreams natin for each other and for our family. For your birthday, I wish you also good health. Sana hindi ka ma-stress sa work mo and sa people around you. Sana positive vibes lang palagi ang ma-absorb mo sa iyong environment. And I hope na you will always remember and never forget na we love you so much despite presence, despite distance. And dito lang kami for you no matter what. You deserve all the love in the world, and much more than that. You deserve happiness, you deserve peace, and we promise na one day we'll give it to you, hopefully very very soon. I love you so much. Bye.
Hi, Ma. Happy birthday. First of all, thank you for being one of the best and most sabay mama ever. Char. And thank you for always trusting us and helping us to be independent and mabait? Char, mabait ba? Basta marami akong na-learn galing sa inyo, and hopefully in the future we can bond together for a longer period of time. Wow, English. Tapos hopefully in the future matuloy lahat ng plano, na meron ng bahay, makatravel na tayo, hindi ka na magtrabaho, mag-garden ka na lang. And I think it's still not too late to find another love of your life. Char! So yeah, I hope that you enjoy this day and all the days to come. And I also pray to God that He would give you a healthier body, peace of mind, and of course, more money para gamitin natin pang travel. So, see you soon, Ma, and I hope na sooner mangyari na talaga lahat ng plan, and then makamit na talaga ang happy ever after. Happy birthday again, Ma. Enjoy your day. I love you.
Hi, Mama! Happy 50th birthday! I just want to thank you. Like, thank you kaayo for everything nga imong nabuhat sa amo, for your sacrifices and everything. And, grabe ka strong kay bisan unsa nagkakakapoy or unsa na imong ginabati, you still choose to give and to love and ipakita sa amo ang strong kayo ka to smile and smiling in front of us. You raised us with so much kindness and patience nga tungod nimo we also learned how to be strong pero still soft at heart. Sa tanan nimo nga roles, mama sa amo, sister, daughter nila nanay ug tatay, ikaw gid ang pinaka the best, char. You always give your all kanang without asking for anything in return. And mama, hapit na kita. Hihi. Like, dili ra ni para sa pero para sa ato ang family gyud and ato ang mga dreams together. And I promise nga dili ra tataman diri nga mag-aspire tag more, same sa imong always ginaingon nga we will work hard so we can finally give you the life nga imong deserve, nga makapahulay na, like makarest na ka from working and ma-fulfill na lang imong dreams, mag-farm and travel. Wishing you always good health, peace of mind always, and all the happiness in the world nga imong deserve, mama. Ikaw permi among strength, among inspiration, and ikaw ang pinaka the best. Love you, mother. Mwah.
Hi, Te! Happy birthday! Happy 50th birthday! 50 na gyud, managi pugong. Akong wish is good health, good graces, more blessings, and happiness. Happiness sa tanan, sa family, sa love life, sa in everything you do. We do hope na you can na-achieve na nimo ang imong gusto sa life. Accomplish naman yung mga anak. Hope maka-proud ang imong mga anak. We do hope na you will continue to be more happy sa imong life. Thank you tilitlit sa tanan. Thank you sa mga kabuang, sa happiness, sa laughter. Nga permi na lang, amoro tagwa problema. Mama ka natigulang, te. Ikaw lang manggihapon. Hope na you will be good health always. Healthy ka permi. Happy birthday, te. Hope ma-enjoy ni mo yung mga 50th birthday. Love you. Mwah!
Hi, Te. Happy birthday. More power sa imong love life.
Happy birthday, Loletlet. I wish you for good health, more blessings, more love, and a happy life ahead of you. Love you always. And I'm happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday
to
Mommy Lit.
my red. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Mommy Litlet.
Happy birthday, my little.
We love you.
I love you.
Okay, happy birthday, Te. Love you. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Tilitlet.
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday.
Mamila Letlet. Okay.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tilitlet. 50 na ka. I love you.
I love you.
Dalet, happy birthday!
I wish you good health, good fortune, good love life. See? I love you. Pag-ayo-ayo gid din ha. Love you. Hope to see you soon. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Lola Letlet! We love you! We pray for your good health!
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday,
Happy
girl.
birthday to you.
Happy
Happy
birthday,
birthday,
girl. Thank you so much for being a good Lola to Rain and Audrey. Thank you so much for extending your love and care to them. They are so blessed to have you as their extra Lola. And your sisters and other siblings are also blessed to have you as a caring sister. You're always there to look out after their health. Thank you so much, girl, for everything that you have done and you have always been doing. We are so blessed to have you as our auntie. Thank you, good kaayo, girly. I miss you. And we are praying for your good health. I hope that the future will bring you joy and especially all that your heart desires. We love you and hope you have a good birthday celebration. Love you. Bye, girl.
Happy birthday, Lola Letlet!
Happy birthday,
Lola Letlet!
Happy birthday, Te! Wish you more birthdays to come and good health. We hope to see you soon.
Happy birthday!
Bye-bye!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Tigulang na ka!
Dili pa taon.
50, di ba?
Liloy 40.
40 looking.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Te!
Hi, David. Happy 15th birthday. God bless. That's all.
Hi, Antoinette. Happy 50th birthday sa imuha. I hope, Auntie, that you are aware nga grabe ni ka grateful to have an auntie like you nga grabe ka selfless. Grabe ka mahinatagon. Grabe ka understanding in so many ways. You are one of the best auntie nga gihatag sa Ginoo sa kuha. And I am forever grateful nga isa ko sa imong pagumangkon. Thank you so much nga in all your life nga imong gi-dedicate in working abroad. You always remembered me and my family members. More than that, yung mga igsuon. You are always there sa ilang kiliran to help them despite the fact nga nung nagkalisod sad ka. You also have your own challenges sa pagtrabaho. Thank you, Kente, because growing up, I just realized nga dili to feel our own, So, thank you, Kente. Wala na ko lang pang gina-wish o gina-pray kung dili hinaot i-bless ka ni God of longer and happy life. And I hope you will enjoy your life as you are getting older, happier, sexier, prettier. Basta more than 20, I will always include you in my prayers and I wish you pure happiness. I hope ihatag bigat sa imong tanan imong deserve diri sa kinabuhi. Happy birthday, Auntie. God bless you.
Hi, sister! Charis! Happy birthday, Tilitlit! Wish you all the best and more birthdays to come. Love, love, love! See you soon!
1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday, Tilitlit! We wish you good health and more birthdays to come. Yeah!
Konnichiwa! Happy birthday, Tilitlit. I wish you more birthdays to come. Good health. Amping diha. Laban lang.
Hi, Ma. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Thank you so much for always guiding us. And we love you so much. And we hope to see you soon.
More birthdays to come.
Hello tita, happy 50th birthday. Wish you all the best in life. Wish you good health sa imo ug sa imong pamilya, kamping permis sa trabaho. Okay ra pud ni Richie sa among pag-eskwela, so ampil lang permi. God bless.
Hi, Mami Lisa. Happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo good health and peace of mind also, as always. Lagi mong tatandaan, nandito lang kami lagi para sa'yo, makikinig, ano mang problema mo. We love you and I love you. Happy birthday!
Ligayang kaarawan ng we love you, Mama Chup Chup. Always, we wish for your happiness and peace of mind. Huwag nang magmingaw. Huwag nang maluoy-luoy. Pag sure ba? Happy lang tayo. Ano man yung pagdaraanan, daanan lang at lampasan. Go, go, go. Andito lang kami lagi nila Mama Irma, Ismael, Liib, and the whole family to support you lagi sa desisyon mo. Basta, huwag matigas ulo, char. Makikinig sa amin, char. Tsaka, happy lang tayo lagi. Life is still good. Life will always be good. Basta, ano lang tayo kay Lord. Alhamdulillah. Eto tayo ngayon. Still alive and kicking and going strong. Inshallah. Always be positive ng kaya natin to. Lagi kaming bibisita dyan pag may chance o kaya ikaw bisitahin namin dito sa ikaw ang bisitahin namin. Ako ang bisitahin mo dito sa Jeddah. Ayun, happy lang and happy birthday. We miss you, love you, Mama Chup Chup.
Late, happy birthday. May you have more birthdays to come. Lain ako tingog, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Litlit! May you have more blessings and more birthdays to come.
From me, Inday, and children, Kuya RD, J Art, and Bibi Lance, we wish you good health, peace, joy, and happiness on your birthday. Happy birthday!
Happy 50th birthday, Auntie Litlet!
Let, happy birthday, miss you. Yay!
Amping kadara ante.
Amping!
Sama!
We love you!
Bye-bye, love you.
Happy birthday, Let! Kita kids sa bakasyon. Ikapilanin mo karon? Doon-doon kasunod naman mga ano. Sige. Kita ka tayo sa kwan sa pag-uwi mo. No? Regalo ko sunod na. Bye-bye!
Hi, Ben! Happy birthday! Wish you more birthdays. Love you! Love you! Char! Ingat! Wish you more birthdays to come! We love you! As our bunso, stay sweet and pretty. Yeah. Okay? Okay? That's... Ikaw na yun na. Ano ba ako? Nabuhanan tayo mo ha? Sige, okay.
Si solo shot.
Happy birthday! Saan ka ba uli? Love you! Asa man ni? Asa man magkaon? Padala ha kay Rich. Dungan lang sa birthday ni Rich. Oo. Hi, Let. Happy birthday. Ayo-ayo ka na, Let. I miss you. Hindi na diri ba? We miss you.
Happy birthday, Auntie Litlet.
Happy birthday, Mami Litlet.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Lisa Hot. Sige na. Ayo-ayo dira. Basta Let, happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
And more birthday to come, unta. Tagaga pa sa Ginoo nga
More blessing,
more blessing.
more birthday, birthdays. Kaya daghan pa unta. O mapalayo na sa kasakitan. Only God ang atong nasandigan.
Baby kahaw!
Hi, Let. Happy birthday. Enjoy. Enjoy lang. Kamay pa, nga damo nga birthday ang maabot sa imo. God bless you always. Happy birthday again. We love you.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to la 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 la. Happy birthday to you. I love you. I love you. Happy birthday, la 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 la. Happy birthday, I love it. Bye. Thank you. Happy birthday, Mommy Lisa.
I love you.
I love you.
I miss you.
I miss you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Yay.
Blow.
Mama-
Blow the fire.
Mama Chup Chup, Mami
Blow
Lisa.
the fire on your
Cake.
yes.
Kiss beautiful eyes to Mami Lisa. Mwah. Love you, Mami Lisa.
I love you, Mommy Lisa.